Hello, this is A-Wire and welcome to the Crash Test Dummy Headquarters. The Crash Test Dummy Headquarters is located in Portmore, and pretty much this is where we all practice and train. We're a little fixing up now, but it's all good. We have a 5-foot quarter, and also we got an 8-foot quarter right there. And to my left, we have the foam pit, and this is where the magic happens, you know. Welcome to my paradise. Time to have some fun.
A buzzu-b gosh. Sit and hold the vibes on the moonlight. Watch how my career a shine bright. Stay high and never fall. Me got calling on my link with an all. Ride me a ride in the future. Check out the youth ya. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride in the future. Put on the suit ya. Me style act like a fever.
So I started riding when I was about roughly 16, 17 years old. Because where I grew up, I couldn't afford bikes. Never had bikes growing up as a kid. So you can say I got a pretty late start. I actually got interested in BMX when I was around, say, 7 or 8. I was watching Gillette World Sports Special and I saw a bunch of guys hopping bars, and I was like, yo, that's kind of cool, and I would love to get into stuff like that. However, you know, growing up in Spanish Town, or pretty much just growing up in Jamaica, we have no bike shops, we have no skate parks, so I was like, whoa, this is going to be hard. BMXing in Jamaica is hard. No parks or no shops, you know, we are already fighting the odds. So when I decided, hey, you know, this is what I want to do and this is what I want to pursue, you know, I was kind of going out on a limb, you know, going out on a long shot, because we get no support. I mean, well, little or no support, I should say. You know, I mean, it goes right back even home to family. My family never supported me doing this. They never liked the fact that I do it. And when I'm on the street and I'm riding, you know, everyone is trying to tell me, yo, don't do it. So I had to put myself into a completely different state of mind, you know, because everything I hear around me is just like what I can't do, you know. So let's just see, I'm doing it.
Ride me a ride in the future. Check out the youth ya. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride in the future. Put on the boot ya. Me style act like a lava. In a words me can't explain. That area I might hear me going for the X game. Ride out and do a tail whip. 360, now me mix it with a backflip. Them call me the stunt god. When me ride out the BMX, I mean the people love bad. Me no care who hate me. Move out of my way and make me bust a 180. Ride me a ride in the future. Check out the youth ya. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride in the future. Put on the suit ya. Me style act like a fever. Ride me a ride in the future. Check out the youth ya. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride in the future. Put on the boot ya. Me style act like a lava. Live in concert, no A-Wire. Them man, they go hard perspire.
Yeah, you get that? Come to that.
Ride bicycle till him burst tire. Up the fans, them a real and a clap church choir.
I got my second flat for the day. Tire exploded. Man, I don't know, but gotta go on.
K.T.D at the crash pad. Go pro power we head like a snapback. We no shaggy but we style them hot shot. Media fight we take a snapshot.
Training to me is right now is very, very important. I wake up every day around 5 in the morning, do 2 hours of yoga, some meditation, get my mind right, get my body right, and then I'm ready to go out and ride. Now, when I'm riding, riding after doing yoga is a different feeling just than an average day. Because now I'm centered, I'm balanced, I'm focused, and I'm free, and I can pretty much do anything I want to do once my mind can conceive it. So right now, I'm on a path with yoga right now where it's just mind, body, and bike, and it's working wonders for me right now. What do you think?
Ride me a ride inna the future. Check out the youth, yeah. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride inna the future. Put on the boot, yeah. Me style act like a lava.
The next 5 years from now, I see BMX in Jamaica on a whole different level. I mean, whole different level of progression, a whole different level of people emerging, because what I'm actually planning to do, and I'm actually doing like crowdfunding projects develop, is this setup right here, because at the end, I said by the end of this year, I get this thing up and running properly, where little kids can come and train and do something positive with their lives. I think that you will see a lot of talents emerging, because all across Jamaica, there are like tons of people that want to ride and want to skateboard, but they have nowhere to do it. And I have the opportunity to kind of go out and somehow make this possible for them, and I'm going for it.
Ride me a ride inna the future. Check out the youth, yeah. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride inna the future. Put on the suit, yeah. Me style act like a fever. Ride me a ride inna the future. Check out the youth, yeah. A BMX and no scooter. Ride me a ride.